So in the first video, we created a database, created a new database and saved it. And we're straight away into the second database where we're now going to create a table. Now you'd think to yourself, yay, I've already got my table 1 open, why can't I just use that? Well, the answer is that we're not going to use that because this looks more like a spreadsheet and doesn't give me any chance to go and change the nature and structure of the data. So I'm going to close that and go to, so there's nothing open at all, and go to Database Tools. And so I beg your pardon, sorry, go to Create. And what I want to do is to create a table, but not like that. I want to create a table design. And in here, we get to declare and define the structure of the database as we know it. Now, the first field in every database is always an ID field, and we'll come back to that in just a moment. Now, I said we're making I'll do this properly, an address book, which is therefore going to be first name. No, it's not going to be first name. We'll start with a title. We'll come back to that. First name, last name or surname, address, suburb, how do you spell, postcode, notice the technique I'm using here of camel casing if there is more than one word. To camel case, the first letter of each word is in capitals except for the first word. Address, suburb, postcode. That's enough. What else are we going to do? We'll do a home phone. Some people still have them. We'll do a mobile phone. So do phone numbers. We'll have a date of birth. We'll have an email address. Now, have we missed anything there? Title, first name, last name, address, suburb, postcode, home phone, mobile phone, date of birth, email address. Do we want to worry about Twitter handle? No, not really. This is an address book. I think we got most of the details that we need. And so therefore, to begin now, so from here, I've got all the fields that I want. We might want to add more later on, but that's okay, we can. We'll save. When we save, we're going to use industry standard format. So we're going to use a 3-character prefix, TBL for table, FRM for form, RPT for report, so a 3-letter prefix. And then what is the address book, or what is the table about? Address. Standard formatting or naming criteria, you don't name anything with plurals. There is no primary key defined. Now that's okay, I actually have declared a primary key, so I'm going to say no to this because I want to do the next video on all the different things we do inside these fields. So I'm going to say no to that, but we'll see why in just a second. All right, so that's the end of the second video, but the third video is going to run straight into it.